I hope you all are good. Today in the GK we are going to discuss chapter 16 and the name of the chapter is what? Cities and rivers. So it means there are some cities is going to be given to you and you have to identify the name of rivers. You know beta, rivers have always been a source of life for humans and animals as well. They are the home to the several animals, fishes and plants. सारी aqua life उसी में होती है. Even they serve our various needs like food, energy, transportation, irrigation, hydration. बहुत सारा काम जो है, बहुत सारे purpose river fulfill करती है. So rivers are considered to the lifeline of human civilization. River की अपनी ही importance होती है. अब हमें क्या करना है, हमें कुछ सिटीज़ के नेम गिवन है और हमें बताना है ये सिटीज़ कौन सी नदी के किनारे सिचुएटेड है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द एक्सरसाइज. टोक्यो. टोक्यो जापान की कैपिटल है और टोक्यो किस नदी के किनारे बसा है? सुमेदा. SUMIDA. सुमेदा रिवर के बैंक पर टोक्यो है. बॉन, ये जर्मनी की सिटी है और ये है हमारी राइन रिवर के किनारे. RHINE, राइन. देन कैरो. कैरो इजिप्ट का, ये है हमारा नाइल नदी के किनारे. नाइल हमारी लॉन्गेस्ट रिवर है वर्ल्ड की. लाहौर पाकिस्तान का. लाहौर सिचुएटेड है एट द बैंक ऑफ रावी रिवर. RAVI, रावी. नाउ मूविंग टू द फिफ्थ वन, लिस्बन. Lisbon is the city of Portugal and it is situated at the bank of river Tagus. TAGUS, Tagus. Now 6, London in England, situated at the bank of river Thames. THAMES. Kolkata in India, situated at the bank of river Hooghly. HOGHLY, Hooghly. And then Shanghai, China. It is situated at the bank of Huangpu. Huangpu river का है ये. Now moving to the ninth one, Paris in France, situated at the river bank of Seine. SEINE. Then Delhi. Delhi in India, situated at the bank of river Yamuna. YAMUNA, Yamuna. Now moving to 11, Rome, Italy. It is situated at the bank of river Tiber. TIBER, Tiber. Now moving to the New York, USA. It is situated at the banks of Hudson River. HUD, Hudson, SON, Hudson River. Then Baghdad, Iraq. It is situated at the bank of river Tigris. TIGRIS, Tigris. So I hope you have done the exercise carefully. Now learn it properly.